Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to show you what I got at the February 2020 BoxyPopUp sale. First we have the Juice Beauty Phytopigments Youth Cream Compact Foundation. So basically it's a foundation that you kind of like press this button to dispense. This one comes in 5 different shades. I got the shade Buff, which is supposed to be for very light to light skin tones with a yellow undertone. I'm not quite sure if it's going to be the right shade for me, so I'm going to try a little on my hand. I'll probably have to put it on my face to see for sure, but it looks like it might be fairly close. It just might be a little bit more yellow than I normally do. It has a pretty thick texture and it seems to absorb nicely into the skin. If I put this on my face and it does seem a little bit too yellow, I might get one of those color correcting serums. I'll put a link in the description box below, but basically they have serums that make a foundation more warm or cool. They also have ones that make them lighter or darker. It normally retails for about $45, but I got it at the pop-up sale for $12. I don't know if this is exactly a hit or a miss. I would put it kind of in the maybe pile. Next we have the Kaja Heart Melter Lip Gloss Stick. This one is in the shade Too Hot, which they call a flirty cherry red. It's actually really cute because the end of it is shaped like a heart. I actually had bought one of these right before the sale from Sephora. I got the shade Crush Hard, which is a little bit more of a mauve tone. This normally retails for $17 and I got this for only $5. I know this probably won't match my eye color, but I'm going to try a little bit on my lips just to see how it looks. This is just such a pretty color. I really love the formula of this Kaja lip gloss stick. It's just so creamy and it has a really nice scent to it too. I know it looks a little bit crazy with this pink eye look, but I think this is a really pretty cherry red color. I like how it looks a little bit cool on me and is more of a tint as opposed to a stronger lipstick. I'm really looking forward to wearing this one again soon. I'm going to wipe it off really quick so I can get back to the pink one. Next we have the Bala Bangles. These are actually wrist and ankle weights that weigh about 1 pound each. Basically they have Velcro on them so you can just kind of wrap them around your wrist or your ankle. I do a lot of workouts at home that use wrist and ankle weights. The ones I have right now are filled with sand and they're a little bit awkward. Sometimes the Velcro comes off and they actually fall off. These seem to be really well designed and so I was happy to see that they had them on sale at the BoxyPopUp. It normally costs $49 for this set of 2, but at the BoxyPopUp it was only $29. I will definitely be getting some good use out of these and I was really happy to see that they were on sale. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Milk Makeup Ubame Mascara. They say this is a 74% natural formula that won't flake or budge. But the main reason why I was interested in it was because it has this really cool brush. They say the triple ball brush delivers a plush, high volume look so you don't have to curl your lashes. They call this the Ubame mascara because it contains Ubame oak charcoal. It's supposed to help give your lashes a really dense color. So let's just check it out on my hand here. It seems to be a nice deep black color. I'm already wearing mascara so it's a little bit hard for me to test this out just now, but I'm really looking forward to trying this out in the very near future. I have some other Milk makeup products that I really enjoy. This one normally costs $24, so I was really happy to see it on sale for only $8. So I gotta be honest with you guys, I saved the best for last. I was so excited to get my hands on this one. It actually sold out during the sale. So this is the Lexie 30-piece brush set. There are 30 brushes in here, you guys. They are synthetic and made by Lexie, which makes really high quality brushes. This set normally costs $400. And I was able to get it for $79. I've been waiting and waiting for it to go on sale. I almost picked one of these up at Lexie's Black Friday sale because it was deeply discounted, but then it immediately went back up to $400 and I totally regretted not getting one. So I was so happy to see that it was only $79 at the BoxyPopUp. So this is just a beautiful rose gold set. All of the brushes are really soft, nice synthetic fibers. This number 504, for example, seems like it'll be a great blush brush. And this number 223, for example, seems like a great brush for doing eyeshadow under the lash line. I'm just so excited about this brush set because I've been wanting it for months. It's funny, I've had my eye on the Hourglass brush set as well, which is like $600, but I actually think that these Lexie brushes are better value and may even be better quality. I'm really looking forward to testing out this set with my upcoming makeup looks, and I'm just so happy that brands like Lexie are out there making really high quality synthetic brushes. So those are the items I got at the BoxyPopUp. The retail value for all these items combined is $535 and I got them for $133. Altogether, it was a savings of $402. However, $321 of those savings was from this brush set alone. If I wasn't buying the brush set, it probably wouldn't have been as dramatic a savings on this sale, but I really do enjoy things like the BoxyPopUp because it gives me a chance to try new things at a much lower price. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear if there are any products you picked up at the BoxyPopUp or if there's anything you're interested in trying. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.